Hello everyone. All right, so today we're going to be using the painted paper that you guys made last week. The paper turned out beautiful, it's all dry, and we're ready to work just like Carle. So up front, I have blue paper that you could use for your sky color. I have some thin pieces of green paper that I'm gonna use as my grass. Before I get started making my animal, and using the painted paper, I'm first gonna make my grass. So crayons are at your table. You can use any color to draw. I'm gonna do a zigzag line. You can make a wavy line or any kind of line you want to make your grass. So first we're going to draw the shape or the lines that we want to make today, and then we cut. Remember, using your scissors, put your thumb in the top, and then 2 or 3 fingers, depending on how big your fingers are, will fit into the bottom. I'm keeping the scissors pointed away from me. And I'm using this hand to open, close, cutting out right along the line on my shape. I'm using this hand to turn the paper as my scissors are opening and closing. So now I've got grass that I could put down here. If you don't like the crayon, you could always flip it over and then you won't see the crayon. Okay, that's up to you, however you want to do that. Now, you guys are going to be making the very hungry caterpillar. Before I make my caterpillar, I want a beautiful sun in the sky. I love how Carle always makes a sun. So I'm going to make a circle, and then around the sun, I'm going to do a zigzag line. You could also make your sun using little tiny lines that you cut out, like the little ray of sunshine. Okay, so I'm going to carefully cut. If cutting is hard for you to make all of these lines and shapes, slow down. Okay, that will really help you to have more control over your scissors if you just don't go as fast. Okay, so I cut that out, got that one, and now I have my sun. Oh, I like that. That's really cute. Now, I'm going to start thinking about my caterpillar. I think I'm going to do the body of my caterpillar in green, and I'm going to do the head in red. So, let me draw a bunch of circles for the body of my caterpillar. Circle there, circle there. I'm going to do 4 circles, but you could make more if you would like. It's up to you, how long you want the caterpillar body to be. So I've got 1. See how I'm using both hands. 2. If you want it to be longer once you cut these out, and just draw some more circles. 3. And here's my 4th. There we go. I've got 4 circles for my body, and now I'm going to draw a big circle for my head. Let's see. I want it to be bigger than my body circles, but not too big. I don't want it to look like he can't support his head. So I made it pretty big. Now I'm gonna put it like that. Oh, I like this, how it's turning out. If you want to add extra things in yours, you could make flowers. You could add other little creatures. It's up to you. But I want you to try to make a caterpillar as the focal point of your art. Remember how to open your glue? Oh, I kind of skipped past that. Let me go back. So the glue is closed. You have to twist it so that there's space in between. Pick off any of the hard glue, and then make sure that you can hear it breathing. Okay? When you tip it over, the glue doesn't come out right away. It takes a little while for the glue to go all the way down to the orange cap. Then you can start to squeeze. So you gotta hold it upside down. Now for my glue, I'm gonna use dot, dot, not a lot, because I don't wanna have too much. You don't need that much glue. So dot, dot, not a lot. Now I've got my head. Okay, and now if you would like, you could use crayons. Let me try to see if I can find a black. Nope. Oh, here's a black. I'm gonna make eyes on my caterpillar and a smile. He's gonna have, and then I like the way Carle puts all the little fur on his back like that. And then I'm also going to draw my feet on there. Let me glue the grass down first though. I should have glued that before. I forgot. I think if I were you guys, learn from Mrs. Constein's mistake. I would glue the grass down first. You know what else I didn't glue down? My sun. Oh, let me get that sun on there. I want the sun. Otherwise, my caterpillar is going to be roaming around on a cloudy day. So dot, dot, not a lot. And now I'm going to draw all the little feet. Caterpillars have a lot of feet. They kind of look like a backwards letter L on here. Oh, he's adorable. Now, remember, anything else you want to add, you are welcome to add that. Use your imagination, be creative. I can't wait to see what you all make.